All right, crypto fam, welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. We're kicking things off with massive news from the traditional finance world. Morgan Stanley is officially enabling Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana trading through their trade platform. This is huge, folks. A major Wall Street institution is embracing crypto like never before, and they're not stopping there. Wallet services are on the horizon. Get ready for digital assets to become even more accessible. Next up, get ready for your everyday spending to become a Bitcoin earning machine. Fold has teamed up with payment giant Stripe and Visa to launch a brand new credit card that rewards you with actual Bitcoin on every purchase. No hoops to jump through, just pure crypto rewards automatically stacking up. This is a game changer for mainstream adoption, making it simpler than ever to accumulate Bitcoin. Hold onto your hats, Brazil. OranjeBTC is set to debut on the B3 stock exchange next month, bringing a staggering $410 million in Bitcoin to public markets. This marks Latin America's first publicly traded company 100% focused on accumulating Bitcoin, and it's backed by some serious heavy hitters in the crypto space. This is a monumental step for Bitcoin adoption in the global south. And finally, a word of caution for the traders out there. Bitcoin is flashing a massive $12.5 billion liquidation risk if the price takes even a small dip. Analyst Ted Pillows is warning of cascading liquidations across major exchanges. We'll break down what this means for the market and whether the big players are still buying the dip. Stick around for all the details and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Morgan Stanley is making waves in crypto. Get ready, because Wall Street giant Morgan Stanley is officially stepping into the crypto arena. Through its trade platform, customers will soon be able to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, thanks to a partnership with crypto infrastructure firm Zero Hash. This isn't just a small test. Morgan Stanley is looking to expand its digital asset offerings and is even planning wallet services, aiming to integrate these assets into the familiar trade ecosystem. Jed Finn, Morgan Stanley's head of wealth management, emphasized that clients deserve access to all assets, traditional and digital, within a single platform. This move signals a significant shift, with Morgan Stanley's CEO previously stating their commitment to working with regulators to offer crypto services safely. This follows their earlier steps of allowing advisors to promote spot Bitcoin ETFs and providing access to Bitcoin investment funds for wealthy clients. The crypto infrastructure firm Zero Hash, whose CEO Edward Woodford sees this as a major step in mainstreaming digital assets, is proud to facilitate this institutional leap. The sentiment is clear. Financial institutions are rushing to embrace crypto, with many executives dedicating significant time to on-chain innovation. But will this mainstream embrace be enough to weather the storm? We'll dive into the volatile world of Bitcoin liquidations next. Earn Bitcoin with every swipe. Big news for shoppers looking to stack sats. Fold, the innovative Bitcoin financial services company, has partnered with payment powerhouses Stripe and Visa to launch its brand new Bitcoin credit card. This Visa-issued card is all about Bitcoin rewards, letting you accumulate the cryptocurrency with every single purchase you make. Fold's CEO, Will Reeves, highlights the card's simplicity. No complex categories, no staking, just pure Bitcoin rewards automatically. It's designed to be user-friendly for newcomers while offering the transparency early adopters expect. Kai Sheffield, Visa's head of crypto, confirms that cardholders can earn Bitcoin wherever Visa is accepted, combining Fold's unique rewards with Visa's global reach and security. This collaboration follows Fold's previous Bitcoin rewards credit card with Visa and underscores the growing demand for integrating digital assets into everyday financial tools. Meanwhile, Stripe is also pushing boundaries in the blockchain space, recently teaming up with Paradigm to launch Tempo, a payments-first blockchain optimized for stablecoins and real-world transactions. From everyday spending to global markets, Bitcoin is making its mark. Next, we're heading to Brazil for a groundbreaking stock market debut. Brazil's Bitcoin stock market debut. Get ready for a financial first in Latin America. OranjeBTC is set to make its grand entrance on Brazil's B3 stock exchange this October, not with products, but with a massive $410 million Bitcoin treasury. Founded by former Bridgewater Associates executive Guilherme Gomes, OranjeBTC will list with an impressive 3,650 BTC on its balance sheet, instantly positioning it among the world's largest corporate Bitcoin holders. This strategy is a direct import of the playbook popularized by Michael Saylor, aiming to accumulate the largest possible Bitcoin balance. OranjeBTC's launch is supported by prominent figures and firms across the crypto ecosystem, including the Winklevoss twins, Blockstream's Adam Back, and various U.S. funds, projecting significant credibility. The company is merging with Intergrouse, already listed on B3, in a reverse IPO, with about 85% of shares in free float, opening the door for both institutional and retail investors. This move offers a traditional market gateway to Bitcoin exposure, representing a new frontier for Bitcoin adoption beyond individual use and remittances in Latin America. But with this massive institutional interest comes potential risk. Could Bitcoin's price face a major shakeup? Bitcoin faces a $12.5 billion liquidation threat. Traders, pay close attention. Bitcoin is currently teetering on the edge of a significant liquidation event. Market data from CoinGlass, highlighted by analyst at TED Pillows, reveals a staggering $12.5 billion in leveraged positions across major exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and OKX. A mere 5% drop in Bitcoin's price could trigger a cascade of liquidations, potentially echoing past market crashes. This risk is amplified by the fact that leveraged trading can significantly magnify market swings. While this presents a short-term threat, it's crucial to note that institutional confidence remains robust. Major players like MicroStrategy, led by Michael Saylor, and MetaPlanet in Japan are continuing to aggressively accumulate Bitcoin, viewing market dips as buying opportunities. This dichotomy highlights a market divided. Short-term traders battling leverage risks versus long-term holders building their positions. The technical outlook shows Bitcoin testing key support levels, with potential upside if it reclaims crucial moving averages, but a breakdown below current levels could accelerate sell-offs. From liquidation fears to massive adoption, it's been a wild ride. We'll recap it all in our outro. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw Morgan Stanley gearing up to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana on E*trade, Stripe and Visa teaming up to power Fold's Bitcoin Rewards credit card, Brazil preparing for its first Bitcoin treasury company, OranjeBTC, to debut on the B3 exchange, and a looming $12.5 billion liquidation risk for Bitcoin. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you in the next one.